Good afternoon, PokéFans and ThrillSeekers. Yes, we are back at Chessington, as you can tell behind me. Yeah, we're back, and it's late afternoon. We have been here for a little while now, but it's just been blooming raining. So, yeah, we got everyone here. We got Alfie, we got Brandon, we got Ride Upload. Oh yeah, hey, watching me, filming you. Oh yeah, and good old Free Park Jake's here somewhere. Hold on, we'll find him. Oh, guess what? He's already got a rattlesnake, so I'm shouting a bit. It's a bit loud. Not many people around, but we're gonna go on rattlesnake quickly, see where Jake is, and yeah, we'll get in there. Let's go for it. First park of the season in the UK. Come on, let's go. We're down, Ride Upload there as well. Hey. Let's go for it, guys. Rattlesnake time. Oh, and guys, just quickly, I keep forgetting the one major thing. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and yeah, let's get around the park then, shall we, guys? Well, who would have known? An awful smell in the rattlesnake. Yeah, we're going to let you wonder what that was. Yeah, an awful smell. Wow. Right, we're now waiting for our ride to go on the rattle. And, well, Jake and Alfie, they're already done over there. Oh, and Alfie's coming along on the next one. Yeah, the old guys are behind again.
I've just noticed.
I'm sorry, we're old. We're old.
Previous ride.
Well, that's another ride on the snake. You gotta love the snake, and you gotta love the ride photos. Well, what's of them? They're not even from today. What is going on? What is going on, Chessington? Come on, we've got to sort it out, guys. But yeah, another one on rattlesnake. Gotta love it. Yeah. What about you, Dal?
You know what? I think I'm going to call that snake Cecil.
Cecil.
Yeah, he seems like he should be a Cecil, that snake.
Cecil the snake.
But yeah, always great to get back on rattlesnake. Definitely has the name of it in its title.
Oh yeah,
rattle.
Certainly.
You get rattled.
Yeah, yeah,
but yeah.
definitely.
Great ride, great first coaster of 2026 for the UK theme park season. I'll wait for the next one.
And the next one will be. We're not telling you. We're not telling you. Right, everyone, it's Fury time. Yeah, Dragon's Fury's testing. There she goes. Yeah, so, yeah, Dragon's Fury's testing. We're going to get up there. The other lads, mate, they've already ran off. They've left the old ones behind. They always do it to us. They're gone. They're just miles. Well, we're going to catch them up, see what's going on. And, yeah, Fury time. Let's go, guys.
Another train going up the lift hill. An empty train. Annoying when I'm recording like this, 'cause it looks like my name of my hat's backwards. But it is what it is.
So, like I said, Fury's testing, as you can see behind me. It's going up that lift hill really slow. It was getting slow to the top anyway, but yeah. There she goes. Well, let's hope we get a good spin on this one. Let's go for it. Oh, by the way, yeah, we found him. Look, sneaking away. Oi, Jake. See, I told you guys he's here. Yeah, he's here. Huh? Let's go, guys. Fury time. Right, guys, Fury's open. Let's go. It's Fury time. Hey, they're going up there. Happy days. Lovely. Let's go for it. It's Fury time. Come on. There you go, guys. While we're waiting, just a little clip of
Minecraft area.
Minecraft.
We all know it's Minecraft.
We'll get you a better shot of it in a little while, but yeah, that's what we've got at the moment. Not bad. Well, we actually got a little bit of a good spin on that one. Not too bad. Everyone leaned to the right. Yeah, whoa. That was quite cool. Yeah. So we're now going to head over to Tomb Blaster. Yeah, let's go for it, guys. Tomb Blaster. Well, just before we get to Tomb Blaster, let's take a look at the river rafts.
Oh, check out the water.
So yeah, they've got all the boats on now. That's cool. I still ain't got my dry ride, Dale. I still ain't got my dry ride.
You'll have to wait till close season.
It's a bit more of a paddle ride now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit more of a paddle ride, but hey, yeah, hopefully they'll be up and running soon. Yeah, we'll get on there a little bit of a splash, but as for now, let's go get on Tomb Blaster.
The sun was just over the hiking. It gets services for.
So guys, as we do, we go around the extended queue line where we're not supposed to go at the moment, just to have a look at the construction. And in a little while I'll do some more of the construction work with my stick. But as you can see, yeah, the train's still not in station. There is something covered over there. Can't quite see, but it is looking good. And hopefully the other building, way over there, will get its coverings as well. But yeah, we'll see what goes on.
Oh, hang on, 1 sec. Hang on.
Have you heard? The premonitions have come true. The Ancient's peace has been disturbed. الواقع تم إسعاد الكائن القديم.
So guys, as I said before, yeah, the bottomless pit is yeah. Well, I said before that the barriers were there. Yeah, check out my previous video. They are there, but now they're not.
Bye.
Oh no! That was trying to get down the bottomless pit. Oh no!
Guys, and look at this! It's walk-on!
There you go. Absolute walk-on. Gotta love it, can't ya? Gotta love it. Let's go for it, guys. Tomb Blaster. Let's have it.
Choo-choo, wrong park, mate! Wrong park!
Great work, I'm nearly there. It's a bit dark in this section of the two. I've activated your vehicle searchlights. We just have to be really careful not to disturb anything.
Well guys, that was another run on Tomb Blaster. Gotta love Tomb Blaster, absolutely love it. Let's go and take the ride photo. We'll check this one out. So guys, as you can tell behind me, Sea Storm is actually working. Yay, Sea Storm's back. But I'm not going on it. No, I can't do spinny rides like that. Flat spinnies, not for me. But the other guys are going on it, so we shall get an off-ride POV of them. There you go. There they are. So, yep, we'll wait for that one to start and we'll get them on there. Yeah, we'll see you in a bit, guys.
Oh my god, Jake said he wouldn't go on it! Liar! Hey, you alright? Now, Dave, you want to go faster?
Oh no, I couldn't do it. Well, that's that. No, it's making me dizzy just watching. We'll let the guys go on there and wander off. We're going to get down to Gruffalo. Gruffalo. Come on, Professor Burp. You got to make a comeback. Yeah. We shall see in a minute, guys. Right, guys. How was that?
A bit seasick.
That was all good, was it?
Yeah.
A bit, what about you? It was all good?
Someone slid down the hill because it was too steep.
Oh no.
Didn't we?
Oh no. What about Alfie? What about you?
Right, we're going to go and have
Was that good?
quick look.
Apart from sliding down the hill, yeah.
Do you know what? I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. It's just I couldn't do it. No. Cut. So guys, just before we head over to Gruffalo, let's go and check out the vampire. See what work is being done. Now I've heard that the scaffolding's come down, so that's cool. Now I'm still doing a bit of work on the lift hill, second lift hill. Yeah, let's spin you around and have a look, shall we? There you go. There's my favourite part of the vampire. Well, apart from when it goes over the rooftops, I love the rooftops.
Yeah, you'd still be able to see a chain
over on lift hill 2. Yeah, there's actually no lift hill chain. That's cool. Well, let's hope by proper open season it's actually going to be up and running properly. Yeah, I do miss the vampire. Come on, vampire, you gotta come back. And my Wolfie's not even howling. That's not nice. I'm missing my Wolfie. Well, anyway, guys, let's get over to the other side. So as you can see, guys, we're outside the other side of Vampire, and yeah, as I said, all the scaffolding's gone now. Dad said there's some new braces, so that's cool. Come on, Vampire, we need to get back on ya. But for now, it's Gruffalo. Let's go over there. So I have heard that the lanterns are gone. Let's go and have a look, see if the lanterns are gone.
They've got
Oh, yes, there you go. They have gone.
Jake, here's a quick look at the
And the obviously the fountain's not on at the moment. They've turned the fountain off, the waterfall. But yeah, it is looking good over there. Yeah, I just can't wait to get back over there now. Get on Vampire.
Very nice.
It's going to be a good one, isn't it? Get back on Vampire.
Yeah.
Well,
it looks like it's working.
let's go and play with Gruffalo, shall we? Here we go with the Gruffalo. We've done a bit of a cheeky one. We've let the lads go a bit further ahead. Hopefully we can get a couple of boats behind them so they ain't going to splash us. But here we go with the Gruffalo. Oh, we will. Bubble works. Let's go for it, guys. Let's have it. Oh, once again, glorious, glorious smell. There's one thing I don't. I always love the smell. And where did the lads go? Oh, look at that. Yes, it worked. The lads are way in front. They're not going to splash us. No chance of that one. I think we've escaped it. Well, we shall see you on there with the Gruffalo. Well, as me with Pokey D, we actually have a Gengar. Gengar!
What?
Yeah, his name's Gengar.
A Gengar?
His name is a Gengar, he's a ghost type.
Apparently that's a Gengar.
Hey, here we go.
City of Fox. It's no such thing as Gruffalo.
Oh, the waterfalls are working. The butterfly's working.
Oh Oh yeah, isn't it? Look at that.
Oh my god. Effective working.
They've actually got some of them working. Brilliant.
Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have tea in my true-top house.
I'll tell you what, we're definitely spinning quite well, aren't we?
Yeah.
Silly around. Doesn't he know there's no such thing as a good
Oh, they haven't fixed the owl yet.
No, they'll get round to poor Al.
Do you remember these clouds in here?
No, I don't. To be quite honest, I don't remember it being too bright neither.
Yeah, I don't remember spinning this much either. Oh, I'm trying to do a POV for you guys, and yeah.
We just keep spinning and spinning. Well, guys, instead of a POV, it's just going to be spin. It's just going to be spin.
Oh my days. This effect's always working and it's not.
Oh, the snake's not working.
This is always working. I've never seen this effect.
Sorry guys, we are really spinning quite fast. That's alright, I'll grab onto it in a minute. Just going backwards now.
Just walk behind me. See? Everyone is afraid of me.
All right.
There they are. Only one boat together.
They are in 4 boats ahead. Yeah, there they are, way ahead. Oh dear, oh dear. So the Gruffalo has now got his signal back. Lovely. Oh my god, guys. So, yesterday the fountains were spraying all over the place, like as if they were blocked, and now they're not even working whatsoever. Here we go. Hey! Ah!
Yeah, look, no fountains.
What the hell?
Oh, this feels weird.
This
This feels weird.
is so quiet.
Oh my god.
Wow. You know what? I've never been through here without the fountains on.
Always a tree in the way.
That is so weird.
Weird.
It's just nothing going on. Wow. Well, guys, now you know what it's like in the Buffalo without the fountains. Who would have known?
I'll tell you what, I'm going to tell you a random fact, and it's nothing to do with this park. It's just a random fact. So the Swarm at Fort Park, code name LC12. LC12. What a fun little fact for you. LC.
Now my tummy's beginning to
Well, at least we got the space working.
Could be Gold Coast tonight. Who knows?
Right, guys,
We're going
round
to go
two.
straight through the station.
We're staying on. We're going to go straight through. The guys don't even know. They've already got off. Yeah. Here we go.
We're meant to be getting off, but
We're going round again.
we're not.
We'll just lap it. Lap it till 4 o'clock.
Yeah, we'll just sit here and lap the Gruffalo.
Yeah. Well,
Here we go.
Here we go again. Oh, don't forget Gengar.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's gone.
Oh no, he is gone.
He's gone. He's been stolen.
Someone's stolen Gengar. Oh no. Saying that, Gengar might have turned invisible. Right, Dale. Here we go again. Round 2.
Oh my bomb! Oh, I went double bomb! Oh, I went double bomb! Oh, I went double bomb!
He got a load down the backside. Oh no!
Oh god!
Well,
This
anyway.
not working either.
no, that's not working now. So, with that one, guys, we're gonna leave you on. We're gonna see you on the other side. See you in a minute. Right, just quickly before Dragon's Fury again, round Mandrill Mayhem. Well, where we can get to anyway. And yeah, no training station. Well, I've never seen that before. It's always a first for something, though, isn't there? Anyway, let's get on Fury. Right, just quickly, we're going to chuck you over the construction site for Minecraft. Let's go and see what's going on, shall we? Well, we thought we was going to have to wait around for 25 minutes for Fury. We all suddenly forgot that we've still got a fast track for the one day. So, let's go get our fast track for this day, shall we? Let's go for it. It's nearly time for end, but I think it's about 3:30 now. And we almost forgot. Let's go get it, shall we? You forgot as well? Yeah. No. Let's go for it, guys.
I'm not even mentioned it.
Yeah. Right, guys. Fast track's in hand. Back at Dragon's Fury.
If the gate is closed,
Here we go. Fast track time.
let's hope we
Well,
get a good
there we go. We got car 3. Here we go. Car 3. Well, all I can say is unlucky ride up. We got taken off car 3. We got put on car 9. Funny enough, here comes car 9. Let's see if this one gets a good spin. Nah, that... Yeah, this seems good on it, but oh my god,
I'll say Colin Day because
that
that's shit,
was
man.
wicked. I had so much spin and I didn't make... Well,
guys.
car 9's the one.
We've got 7 minutes to get to
We
Battle
shall.
Site. Let's
we
go.
Shall, we shall see in a minute, guys. Right, guys. Last ride of the day. It's the rattlesnake.
Hey!
Come on, Dale. Let's go for it.
Oh, and where's the sensor then? There's got to be a sensor to set them off.
There's got to be a sensor somewhere, isn't it? Hello. Oh, there we go. Right, guys. No one in the station. Let's see if we can lap this one for a couple. We've got probably about 5 minutes to park close. Yeah, let's go for it. Rattlesnake. Right, guys. One last quick little shot. We're going to do the Paw Patrol construction. Right, guys, we're done for the day.
Right, guys, we're all done for the day. This is manic. So we've got everyone all trying to do their outros all at the same time.
Everyone's on it.
Hey, shush!
Down,
My go! My
Down
go!
first.
My go!
Down first.
Well, guys, it has been a fantastic day here at Chessington. The sun actually came out for us for a little bit. We've had the great times, we've had the great rides, but I think we need some happiness in our life next. So, do you want some happiness?
Definitely.
Do you want some happiness?
Definitely do.
Guys, if you can guess where we're going next week,
5 days to go.
leave it down in the comments. But we are going to find some happiness.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There you
So
go.
guys, from me to you, and of course these guys,
Hey,
I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.
Oh, yes. Here we go. Right, now my one. Yep, that's me, PokéD Adventures, and the rest of us.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, there you go. Right, PokéD Adventures, I'm out too, guys. See you later.
The gates are waiting, winter fading. Hear the heartbeat of the crowd, counting days till dreams awaken. Sunshine breaking through the clouds. I see the map inside my mind, every turn and every track. 1,000 memories in rewind, and soon we're finally coming back. We've been waiting, celebrating every rumor, every sign. Now the season starts to shimmer as the daylight realigns. Oh, we're closing in on open season, feel the rush begin again. From Hyperia rising gold into the roar of wild best friends. At Thorby Park we're racing sunrise, stealth and swarm across the sky. And it feels like spring's returning with a spark that never dies. Down at Chessington, magic waking, dragon's fury spinning through the breeze. The vampire glides above the pathways like a shadow through the trees. And the jungle drums are calling with mandrill mayhem and wild parade. Every twist a burst of laughter, every drop a sweet upgrade. We've been counting down the moments, gripping tight to what we feel. 'Cause the magic tastes like sunshine and the promise feels so real. Oh, we're closing in on open season, hear the lift hill calling out. Over at Alton Towers the legends start to echo with a shout. Where the smiler twists 1,000 stories and Wicker Man ignites the night. Oblivion drops us into darkness and we rise again and fly. Here's to Galactica soaring weightless and Rita racing from the start. To 13 and all its secrets that still play upon the heart. Here's to Nemesis Inferno blazing and Colossus looping through the blue. To Saw the ride and every thrill that says adventure's breaking through. Yeah, we're closing in on open season and the world begins to glow. Springtime music in our footsteps, every pathway set to flow. From the first click of the chain lift to the last scream in the night.